Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And this is your very first time here, please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel, I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course my main wig review. So if you haven't already, make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. And y'all, we're gonna jump right into this video, okay?
But you don't wanna fall apart, 'cause it might break if I give you my heart and you hold on too hard. Cool down, simmer, cool now, please. Cool down, simmer, cool down, love. Cool down, simmer, cool now, please. Cool down, simmer, simmer. Boy, you make it too hard for me to stay here. Boy, you're making it hard for me to be your love. Cool down, cool down, cool down, cool down.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm putting you on another baddie approved wig from Luvmehair. This is their blonde highlight short layered bob wig, and let me just say she's giving rich auntie with a schedule to protect, okay? I'm loving this hair. Now let's get into the details because y'all know I love me a wig that makes my life easier. This is a 10-inch bob wig. It's 150% density with a 5x5 closure, and yes, it's glueless, okay? I love a wig that doesn't require a degree in lace science, okay? And the cap fits all head sizes. The circumference goes from 19 to 23 inches, so whether you got braids under there, a big old forehead like me, or both, you're covered. It's 100% human hair. The lace is pre-cut and the hairline is pre-plucked, and the color, it's given brown base with some blonde highlights and a fresh salon blowout without sitting under the dryer for 2 hours, okay? Yes. And you can part it down the middle, you can switch it to a side part, or you can even do a little C part if you like. It's super versatile. And yes, it can be dyed, but bleaching is not recommended. So if you're a DIY queen, you know, just tread lightly, okay? Now let's talk about the lace. It's a regular lace, not HD, but baby, the melt still gives scalp. If you do your thing with the spray or the powders, your foundation, I think you'll be good to go. This wig will last you about a year or more with proper care, so don't be rough with her. Treat her like the main character that she is, okay? Now, let's talk price. It's normally $140, but y'all, I just saw it on sale for $113. And the best part is Luvme always got some deals and coupons, bundle discounts, you know, they always got something going on. So if I have a coupon code, I will list it in the description box below. So be sure to check it out. And if you're looking for a low maintenance, high impact wig that's beginner friendly, glueless, and super cute, this is it. This is the one. Add her to your cart, sis. So the only thing that I did was, y'all, I put foundation underneath the unit. I laid down my edges with my Nairobi foam like I always do. And then I went in with some Velcro rollers because I wanted to give it like more of a 90s vibe, you know? A 90s blowout vibe. And I'm feeling like that woman off of, but y'all, I'm feeling like her with this, like this is what she's giving. So yes, I used my Velcro rollers, went in with a little bit of foundation on the edge. I actually went in with a darker palette for my eyeshadow along the edges. And that was it, y'all. So let me know in the comments if you tried this one, if you're interested, if you added it to your cart. Let me know what you guys think. And if you guys have any other units you would like me to review for Luvmehair, drop that in the comments below because they be seeing the comments, y'all. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel. You know, I do soft life, I do beauty, so follow me on Instagram as well. I do a lot of fashion vibes over there. And I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.